Hey, good morning everyone. Kay here on my homestead in Tennessee. Well, today I am going to say goodbye to my mother. I'm going to say see you later. My classic late bloomer send-off. See you later. Her blood pressure is very low, and she's just going to ease on out. And it could happen today, and it could happen a couple of days from now. But you know, we've had the storm and so many things going on in East Tennessee. Oh my gosh, it's been devastated. Asheville, where my son lives, has been devastated. Many people are unaccounted for. Linda, I believe it's her sister-in-law's daughter, is unaccounted for. Hopefully they have located her by now, but last night when I went to bed, I discovered that if you have a loved one that is unaccounted for, you can either call the non-emergency line of the police department. There's several listed under Asheville, and ask for a well check and see, or ask who might be able to do a well check for your loved one. And also they established a line, 1-800-TBI, Tennessee Bureau of Investigations, FIND, F-I-N-D, 1-800-TBI, F-I-N-D. And that's a line for you to call and, you know, report on people you haven't been able to talk to. There's no cell service as of last night. I don't know what's happened this morning. I'm running late. I've got to go see my mother, and so I've got to have my whole focus on her today. Cats are squared away for me to be gone all day, and the rain is it's lessening, so it's not that much of a problem. But I am taking my truck, and first of all, I'm taking my truck because all those plants are up against the garage wall, and I don't want to have to move everything. So anyway, I just wanted to give you that update. And my son has supplies coming to him if the person can get there. So as of last night, all roads into Asheville were closed. There were some reports that I-26 is open, at least part way, and so I'm very hopeful that my son is going to get supplies. He's fine, and if you have been following my community page posts, he was reunited with Fred. You know Fred, if you follow my channel. He's a beautiful red golden, I think they call it a red golden retriever. And he's just happy-go-lucky, and he's been nonplussed this whole time, just business as usual, playing with my toy, and, you know, hasn't been scared or anything. So there's that. And my last video, I hope you saw it, because it's about the EcoFlow Delta 2 power station. And if I had had any idea, now that I know about it, I just got mine on Labor Day, and I just did the test drive for the video. But if I had known the benefits, I would have gotten him one, you know. But I already gave him a generator, so at least he had that. But he has to conserve gasoline, so he lays down for an hour, and he turns the generator off. He lays down for an hour, and then he goes back and he turns it on for an hour, so he can do these every other hour, powering the freezer. So anyway, I hope everyone hearing this is okay, and I'm sure if you're watching a YouTube video, you're probably okay and not dealing with crises. But I wish you all God's wonderful blessings, and we will get through all of this somehow. And when I say all of this, I mean all that's going on. You know, this month could be, well, it's going to be a total crisis for anyone affected by the storm. But we have other looming crises in our country, and you know, it's really interesting. If I was able to take a poll of American citizens, I bet they would say, no, we don't want war. We want peace. No, we don't want division. We want to get along. No, we want, you know, our taxes to go to things that benefit us. I mean, it just makes sense. So I ask that everyone be discerning in the days and weeks ahead. And we are going to be called upon to really, I feel, it's just my opinion, but based on everything I've seen and heard, we're going to be called upon in many ways. And I hope your faith is strong. God is our salvation. Jesus is our salvation. So with that thought, I'm going to sign off. I'm going to head my truck to Nashville, and I am going to pray that my mother today. Thanks for listening. God bless.